clock's ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian. Let me see if I can get Aaron. They can't see my charts here. My charts, please. Okay. All right. Hello, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian. Gold just hit 70, just dropped 12 in a blink of 16. I'd short some gold here, 68.5, 69, up to 76. Good evening, everybody. I'm Steve Kalayjian. How are you? Bluey, come on visit. Bluey, give me a call, 914-500-7484. Bluey. Okay, next. It doesn't matter. All right. So we just saw gold just get absolutely caboosed. We should start this stream really seriously. I hate to tell you, like 5 or 10 to 8. Because when the 8 o'clock market opened, gold just got absolutely cabooshed. Yeah, cabooshed. Denny, I don't think people can see my charts, Denny. Wow. Oh, my God almighty. Oh, my God. This is unbelievable. Look at this gold drop, 17. You got to be on morphine to be buying gold up here. No way. Denny, can you show my charts, please? I don't know if people can see my charts. Wow. Unbelievable. Thank you, Denny. Thank you. Anybody see my charts here?
Silver's taken as well.
So
Short on silver.
You got the short on silver?
Yep.
Wow. Let me see what the silver looks like here. All I know is when I saw gold print 70, I'm like, holy cow. Silver. Oh, my God. Gold's 30 down. May you rot in hell. Look at that. Oh, my God almighty. Do you see that? How fast I said to sell that gold when we sat in?
Yep.
I said short some gold, right? You see that, Robert?
That was amazing.
I hope you got some off.
Yes.
Woo-wee! Damn. That's what I'm talking about. 914-500-7484. Hey, I want to just tell everybody something first of all right? Oh, my God. Hey, I want to tell everybody something first of all, okay? Please hear me, all right? We're going to do 10 giveaways tonight at 9:50 and silver right back up. How's that? I'd short some silver here, 97.50. What was the high? 97.50 to 80.85 on silver. Wow. Do you see that, David? I walked in and I said to Eric and Norbert, I would sell some gold up here, 69. So I was clicking away, and the freaking thing just dropped 25 in a blink. I'm telling you, when this gold gets cabooshed, look out. You'll see another 200-point down day. All right? My number is 914-500-7484, Bluey. How are you? All right. Good evening, everybody. No, but Pac-Man, you got me, brother. You got me. Pencil down, baby. Give me another 200 points. How much you make on that? How much you make on that?
720.
720. 720. Look at that. 720. Kabooshed. Anybody? Hey, Aaron, you think I can get my kaboom and kaboosh and it doesn't matter? Soundtrack up, please. It doesn't matter. All right, so you guys need to sign up for a MyFundedFutures account in order to win a raffle. Okay? I'm just being clear with all of you. You need to sign up for a MyFundedFutures account. I know. Pac-Man's got 32 accounts. Mike Pac-Man, you go wide on the micros. Anyway. What needs to stop? It doesn't matter. All right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. It doesn't matter. I just passed 2 150K rapids. Wow. Anybody new here? Anybody new? Please text me at 914-500-7484. NASDAQ, I would take a scalp short here on the NASDAQ, 25,670 to 25,700. Oh, come on, gold. Drop about 800. Look at the silver drop. You short the silver too at 60?
I was short, but I got out.
All right. Who's Norca Pritzing? Oh, hey, he's an Armenian, IAN. How are you? Que pasa, Pedro Persico? How are you, my brother? All right. Silva, S&Ps, I'd short the 53 up to 58. I'm telling you, I'm noticing something. We should really start this stream in like 5 minutes. I'm going to tell you why. The moves exactly at 8 o'clock are absolutely insane. Right, Billy? Right? Absolutely insane. Oh, my God. The guy who bought gold at 49.70, he jumped. I think the high is, let me see what the high is here. Let me see what the high is. The high was, wow, exactly 49.70. Okay. Look at the silver. Silver dropped 60. Pac-Man, have confidence. Silver, right? We should really think about starting the stream a little bit earlier, but I'm not the boss. I'm not the boss. Now talk. No. 9:45. No, 7:45. Anyway, how's everybody do? How did everybody do today? Hey, Bear Trader, David, U5U, how are you? Peter, how are you? Rocky Mountain Trades, Cameron Riley, get back. Get back. You ate everything in the whole town. Get back. You're done for the day. You're done. You're done. Get back. Get back. Hey. All right. Chicken Trader, hello. What's going on? Sit, please. Sit. Get over here. Yes, I love you too. I love my boy. Yes, Daddy loves you. All right. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. It doesn't matter. Oh, my God. I'm Green Day. Good job in the gold, Jordan. I mean, I can't see buying gold when you're 300 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average here. I really can't. 96.91, and of course, gold rallies right back up. What does gold rally to? Where's this low here? This is a pencil down here. 38 to 40. What does it get down to? 28. Got down to 38. Just rallied almost. Just rallied 10 handles here. Whew. All right. What do you think? Let's go under over. Silver 100, gold 5,000. I say nay to both. Silver, yeah. The drop was absolutely deadly. Absolutely. Okay. Good job, everybody. Good job. Wow, a lot of great action today on the gold. A lot of doubles. So let me show you what's called a double blue buy signal. Actually, yeah, let me just show this before I lose my train of thought. If you look at gold, if the data comes up, you can see the 5-minute time frame reverses the buy. The algo reverses the buy when the MACDs are above the pivot. You take the short here, and then you take the long here. Okay, you take the little bit of a long. Now, I want to show you something really interesting, and this is why the technology that I have is really important. Okay. Billy, Billy, if you want to text me, I'll give you a 5-day free trial. 914-500-7484. Jordan, how are you, Mr. Two's own, Mr. Two? What's that? Own done? I can't read. All right. So if you look at the SLVs today, and I want you to stay with me on this, okay? If you look at the SLVs, all right, I want to show you what the SLVs did today. The 15-minute time frame right here reversed the buy, and it correlated with the 60-minute time frame. Okay, and when you got the correlation on the 60, what happened is that then what you do, I would scalp some gold here, short 48 up to 54, 48 and a half up to 54 and a half, or 49 and a half up to 56 and a half range. So when the silver right here, SLVs reversed the buy, it correlated with the 60-minute time frame right here. I can't believe this gold rally right back up, right? Okay, so the strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame, and that exactly right here, right? Because look at this beautiful bull flag right here at 10:05, right? Okay, so now that's a buy disconnect. The 15 reverses the buy, it correlates with the 60, right? Then later on at 10:30, the 30-minute reverses to buy. Look to cover this gold below 49 if you're short. Okay, the 30 reverses to buy, putting it in a positive trend. Okay, putting it in a positive trend. Look at the gold drop. Okay, then what you do is you buy the pullback on the 15-minute time frame. Exactly what happened right here. And silver ran about 80 cents. Look at this gold drop. Okay, now that's just with the underlying ETF. This is why people say, how do you use the underlying ETF? But if you look at silver, okay, silver is a short. If silver gets up to 55 again, 55 to 85.90, it's a short. When silver reversed to buy right here on the 15, it correlated with its 30 and 60-minute time frame. So now when silver reversed to buy here, you have a positive trend. The 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frames are in buy mode. Okay, but then the underlying ETF reversed to buy on the 15, correlated with the 60. You have a buy disconnect. When the 30 reversed to buy, silver 55 up to 85.90. I looked at short. Okay, and then what happens is that when you get this spike up, okay, when you get this spike up, you get the opportunity, okay, to then get the 30-minute to reverse to buy, putting it in a positive trend, and then there you go. Okay. All right. Well, I'm glad you bought puts. I7 PMI. Okay. All right. All right. When this gold drops, it's going to be epic. I'm just telling you. First of all, gold dropped because of the fact that they were worried that everything's peaceful. Now, all of a sudden, Papa Trump is making peace and gold's still going up. Go figure. Go figure. I can't figure this out here. All right? I can't figure this out. Anybody understand why gold is up? Unless they think that we're going to go into a complete collapse here. But I can't see. I can't see, you know. All right. I take another scalp short here on gold. 52.80 up to 57.80 if you're short here. All right. Silver's going to 100. Come on. Enough is enough with that. We all know that, right? We all know silver's going to 100. I believe Jeff's right. I think the market realizes that inflation is, I mean, everything's going up. There's not a day I don't get a bill. My HOA went up. My car insurance went up. Electric went up. I mean, what else is it? Nothing goes down. Nothing goes down. Nothing. Nothing goes down. Go figure. Nothing goes down. Right? Okay. Nothing goes down. So if you really think of it, though, okay, what kind What kind of system is this? The US dollar means nothing, really. Well, anyway, I don't want to get into any of this right now, but you were long at 8 p.m. on the gold. I was shorting the gold. I hope you weren't long up there. Don't ask me what happened. I don't know. Don't ask me. No more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Anybody new here? Anybody new here? Put a 1, please, if you're new. Stephen J. DeSimone. I paid $240. Come on, this gold. I paid $240. I pay about $245 on some gold. I mean, on some gas here. Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Cover some gold here between the 48.80 and the 52.80 range. All right. Silver new highs here. I don't know, man. I'm telling you, I think gold's going to collapse, but I wouldn't be long gold up here with your money, man. Because now what you got to think about, right? Hello from Brazil, Antonio Barcelos. Wow, I said that right. Antonio Barcelos. You know, the one thing I'll tell you is that if you really think of it, though, right? I mean, now you got stop orders in the market here that I'm telling you right now are just going to be a problem. It's going to be a major problem here. You're going to have a major problem here for stop orders, you know. You can cover this gold anywhere, silver between 50 and 70 range here. The silver. Am I aware of that? Why is there a monetary meeting? I don't know. I didn't hear it. I don't know. Oof. Now don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. All right. I'm Bay Zill. What's going on, Zill from Finland, my brother? How are you? All right, let's see if this gold can drop here. Silver. All right, this gold's starting to drop again. 48.80, 52.80 range. It doesn't matter. Which one? Gold's dropping.
Yeah, it just stopped me out for no reason.
What do you mean? Well, for a loss?
No.
No.
Break even.
No. Hello from Brazil, 97.85, high silver. Yes, sir. I think silver should get one more push down here. There goes the gold dropping. I want to wake up one morning and see gold down $200. We've seen that before, right? We've seen that. And they bought the hell out of it, right? All right, silver 100 tonight. Silver can go to 150. Then I just think you back up the truck and you buy the SL, you short the SLVs. Or once it gets above 110, 120, maybe you start. Look at the gold drop. Look at the silver dropping here. Silver's dropping. Here, look at the silver drop. I would be flat silver. David, Jeff, who short the gold on that? That was a Picasso into the negative MACD. That's a triple Kabuski, by the way. That's a triple Kabuski, right? That's a triple Kabuski. I don't know how we don't have 20,000 people watching this. Look at this. 7, 8 months ago when I started the stream, people kept on saying, oh, trade gold, trade silver. Oh my God. Oh, lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. I'm like, are you crazy? Please, please, Please. Trade the gold and silver. All right. So if you look at gold, let's look at gold just on the hourly chart. Okay. Let's just look at gold. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller here. Let's see the gaps we have in the gold here. Not really any gaps. Well, sorry, let's look at, I'm sorry, the GLDs, I should say. The GLDs. Okay. $46.21. That gap got filled. 43.77. Oh, wait, the 60-minute I'm talking about. No, don't ask me. I could have swore I saw a bunch of gaps. Yeah, I don't see them here. See the dailies, maybe. Oh, here they are. Look at this. Are you crazy? Look at these gaps. No, I don't know. 1,400 pips. I don't know. I think this gap gets filled, though. I mean, this is a monster bear flag. This is like the eighth wonder of the world right here. This is like the eighth wonder of the world. This thing can collapse 300 points like in nothing. So this gold can go to 4,600 like in a blink of an eye. Silver is higher than Snoop Doggy. Oh, my God. I didn't say that. Here's another gap. This was the long right here. Oof. This was some long here. Under 4,000. And then boom. Up 200. Pulls in. Never looks back. It will. Silver. Unstoppable. I'd short some silver up here. That's why I said cover the shorts. I would short 98.20 to 98.50 on silver. Matter of fact, I got to short some of them. It's got up to 27. That's why I said to cover the shorts down there. Wow. Got to buy some dust, I think, here. What does this dust do today? Oh, wow. This dust is finished. Down 7%. Where's the 478? Wow. This poor dust. Let's look at the daily on these names. Just looking at. Oh, my God. My God, silver just dropped 27 cents. Anybody get the short up there on the silver?
Yep.
You did? Good job. Anybody get the short on silver? I didn't call it, but I was looking at Biggie. Jonathan, how are you? Bear Trader, Dominican Republic. God bless you. Yes, the leverage short for the miners. Hey, 44, the Punisher. Is everybody signed up for the raffle, please? Unknown X, 9999, Oscar M, K. You got the silver short. Good job. EMM, Brad, how are you? Biggie. GA5480 from Queens, New York. Get ready for the snowstorm. I hear you're going to get about 14 inches of snow between Sunday and Monday. Thank God I live in Florida. I'm done with that nonsense. All right, we got the raffle tonight at 9:50. Please make names that are eligible. I'll be 63 years old come February 10th. I do not want to have to start getting my reading glasses out. Is anybody new here? Put a 1 if you're new, please. Anybody put a 2 if you live in the state of Florida. If you're new, put a 1. If you live in the state of Florida, please put a 2. Biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. All right, we got Rupee Trades, CF Downey, 99 Channel. If you guys are new, you're in Florida. The people in Florida, what's a 3 for? If you guys live in Florida, text me 914-500-7484. If any of you who are new want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could text me the same number and I'll give you a 5-day free trial. Just text me with full name and email. All right, this silver's got to be shorted up here. This silver's got to be shorted. This silver's got to be shorted. Yep. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes the silver just hypnotizes me. Yep, I got you. Look at this. Oh, short some of this silver. 59, 58. Silver belongs in the cage. Is it really your wedding anniversary? Congratulations, Jeff. At or near 99? Nah, it's right now you're $1.20 from the 10 bar. You just take the micros. Hey, Comic Trader, how are you? What's up, Comic Trader? All I know is when gold gets cabooshed in the stop orders, NASDAQ, I would probably cover anywhere between the 68 and 74. Where's that NASDAQ going tonight? NASDAQ? I'm not sure. I think down. Silver, I would lower your stops if you're short. You could cover anywhere between the 25 and 40 range on silver. Oh, please, gold drop. What's going on? Look at this name. The Invincible Titan. I trade one win. Oh, my God. What must go? What goes up must come down. Spinning wheel. I'll be 47 on February 13th. Congratulations, Angel. I wish I was 47. Jesus, 16 years older than you. Who says it's going to 100? You're scalping shorts looking for pullbacks. ADXs are rising, positive MACDs. You want to get a nice pullback on the 5-minute. S&Ps and NASDAQ, I hope you guys covered your shorts. S&Ps just dropped 4, 5. NASDAQ just dropped, kabooshed. Okay. Robert TM, good job. You got a 97. That was probably right around here. Or here. Right here. Right, Robert? Silver is dropping. Again, I'd be covering shorts between the, what I say? I forgot what I said. 25 and 40, I said. All right. Gold dropping. S&P's dropping. NASDAQ dropping. Kabooshed. Frozen Chicago. Big Mike. What's going on, Big Mike? Who the hell can live in Chicago? Not me. Good job, Jeffrey. Anybody get the short on the silver? Anybody get the short on the NASDAQ or S&P? All right. How's it going? Hey, Kevin, BX or 8X. How are you? Man, I hate the cold weather. Ooh. We had 41-degree temperature here last week. I walked the dog and I was like, you got to be kidding me. This ain't happening. Look at the silver drop. That's why you take the shorts in silver. You wait for the pullback. You short?
I got stopped out already in the money.
And you stop for a profit, you
Raffle,
say.
yeah.
Right. I heard it was 11 degrees. Yeah, I heard it's going to be like -5 in New York City. Papa Trump. Always. How you doing, Norbert? Good?
Yeah, I'm just looking for shorts as well on gold targeting.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah.
Nope, not yet. You had the shorts higher, not here. Not here. Did you have an account?
Oh yeah, I have a MyFundedFutures.
Good.
Funded
Good.
account too.
-20 in Boston. Run, Forrest, run. Run, Forrest, run. Well, come on to Jupiter, Florida. And anybody, you guys should be texting me if you want a 5-day free trial. And you got about 28 minutes to sign up for the raffle. No raffle? I could never live in Ohio. Too cold. What goes up must come down. Spinning wheel. Angel, I say you both Chicago. I think you get the hell out of street. I think you get the hell out. I think silver could be 101 tonight. If we get these pullbacks here right on silver, I've been pretty good with the overnights here. If you get a nice pullback here on the 15, here on the 30, silver's going to do that. Boom, over 100. I would be surprised you wake up tomorrow morning and silver is par and a half 01. Par and a half 01. That doesn't suck. Par and a half 01. Hey, Mexico, how are you, Morales? Oh, first of all, I'm glad I'm out of there. Well, you know, that whole area, if you worked on the exchanges and things like that, I don't know. I would short some more silver here. If this silver gets up to 60 to 90, 95, I would short it again here, looking for a pullback. I think that time period was very, very special, I have to say. Being able to walk on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange as a member. Silver, I think silver is going to get the pullback first before we get the I don't know. I don't know why gold will be 5,000. I really just don't get it. I thought that after the news yesterday, we're not invading Greenland, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You know. Oh, look at this gold. That's why I said don't short it yet, Norbert, right? Silver, I'd probably be shorting here 60, 65 up to 90, 95 range. Chinese love their gold. Yeah, I would be selling silver up here. I gotta change this stupid thing here. Kabooshed. Boom. Look at that silver. Oh my God, I just sold like 10 micros up there. Wow. You see that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Unreal. Silver just dropped 10 cents like nothing. You see that, Jeff? That's insane. I was doing every 10. Oh my God, that was crazy. I sold 74, 77, 78, 79. This thing's going. Where's this thing going? Oh my God. All right. If you leave, you don't win. I'm just letting you know. If you're not here and your name is called, if your name is called here. All right. Fill the cool. No, it's coolers. COOLAS. Coolers. Coolers. Fill the coolers. Hey, truck trouble tracker. Truck trouble tracker. That's a. Look at this silver drop. Man, oh man. NASDAQ making new highs. You hate trading. What? Love the trading. All right. We have the raffle here tonight. Yeah, I would scalp from 98.80 to 99.10. Here goes the silver dropping. Let's go, baby. I don't want you to blow your accounts. I'm here to help you pass your accounts. That's all I care about. I'm not an affiliate. Look at the silver drop. Jeffrey. Come on, drop. Oh man, look at the S&P NASDAQ drop here. Oh wow, silver just dropped 20. Intel got caboose, right? Oh my God! Look, oh, die silver. Look at this. Where is Intel? Oof, 48. Oof, 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 oof. Down 5, and the government owns it. That's why. Kaboosh, silver. Why I need gold to get kabooshed. And Intel's down in the market, and the Nasdaq is still up. Go figure. So you want to get the silver to get an oversold condition. Look at this gold. Right back up silver. This silver is going to push right up. Well, we'll see. I'm looking for pullbacks to get long. That's the right play on silver on the 5 and 15-minute time frames. All right, we have about 18 minutes. I hope you guys are filling out the form. Okay, I hope you guys are filling out the form for the raffle tonight, which comes in at 9:50 tonight. Okay, where is this thing? Oh, come on. Come on, gold, drop. My God, this is gold. What am I thinking about gold? I'm just trying to figure this average price here. How can that be if you... So 2048, 10, 9, 10. See if this gold can drop. Oh, this freaking gold right back up. The 15s are going to turn up. Oh, man. I got FOMO from that silver. What? I think silver wants to pop. Yep, I agree with you. I think the silver, I say silver will be par and a half to 101 tonight. They tend to hang out for 2 days at new highs before they really good pullback. Remember when silver was trading about like 68, 69? 68, 69? I still think gold's a short up here. 15s are turning up. If this gold gets up to the 59.80, 60 to 65.80, 66, I take a scalp short. Silver gets up to the 98 to 99.28. I would look to take a short on silver. Silver 99, yeah, it just touched it. Don't leave the house if you live in Chicago, in Ohio. What are you, crazy? There goes the gold. I'm telling you, you know, Trader Joe, how are you? Anybody new, please text me if you're new and you want a 5-day free trial. You guys can text me at 914-500-7484. My God, look at this gold. Oh, 59, what did I say, 59.80 up to 65.80, 66.80 range. All right. Silver, if you shorted the silver at 90, silver get to 98? I don't even know. Does silver hit 98 on that? 98.5. You're up 1850. If you're short silver, lower your stops. Just trade micros. Or just look to buy pullbacks then. That's all. S&P and NASDAQ doing absolutely nothing here. You could cover silver, gold anywhere between the 57.80 and 61.80 range. Yeah, I agree. Yep. The hell is that? Silver's dropping. Anybody? If Jeff, do you get any silver off at 98? If not, just cancel it. Just cancel it. Who the hell is buying this gold up here? Really? This is complete insanity. They want 5,000 gold. Actually, gold yesterday got absolute. Look at the silver drop. All right. Could cover silver, gold 59.80 to 62.80 range if you're short. Did you see how when the big stop orders hit? I mean, gold was just trading like 47.39, 46.39 a couple of days ago. You know, silver just got kabooshed. Jeff, you short silver? You short silver?
I'm short gold.
Okay. The giveaways are 9 o'clock, but you have to register. You got 7 minutes to register. What's your average?
For gold,
Mm-hmm.
I'm at 63. 63.50. Gold should be tanking. My goodness.
Here we go. Lower your stops on the 59.80 to 62.80. I cover shorts. Yes, I do see gold going to 4,900. I'd love 4,800. Gold just got kabooshed. I don't know. I'd like to see gold drop at least to 4,850, 4,800. And then I think maybe a push up. I want to see. You got to get this daily. You got to get this daily oversold here. And that's the thing that I'm struggling with right here. I mean, you're parabolic here. And, you know, you want to get this gold to at least get some type of an oversold condition here. You haven't even, that's a bull flag, and then boom, right? And then this was the other one here below 40, like a blink, it was below 4,900. Right here, gold was below 4,000 right here. See that? Oh, please, your lips to my ears. I mean, this gold's 350 points. I'd like to see it down 300 in one day. Oh, I love when they go down. I love it. Silver, right back up. freaking Micron. All right, gold. Gold's starting to drop here. Where the hell is this Micron going? I mean, these stocks are parabolic. I mean, if you think of it, nobody wanted Micron. If you look at the monthly here, right? If you look at the monthly, even here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months ago, stock was 103. Nobody wanted it. They can't get enough of it at 397. And look at SanDisk, right? Look at SanDisk, right? You're on the daily. You're 250 points above the 10 bar right here, right? 250 points. If you look at the monthly on SanDisk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months ago, the stock was 52. Can you believe it? No, I know. I got you. I got you, Chris. Oh, always overbought. Yeah. Hey, Jordan. And if you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could just text me your full name and email, and I will help you. I will give you a 5-day free trial from 8:30 to 4 on my own Discord channel. 37. Oh, I'm exhausted. And the Micron's earning, SanDisk's earnings are coming out. If you're short, I'd be covering shorts here on gold. Silver just dropped from 98. Just dropped. Anybody short the silver at 98? You short silver?
Yeah.
You are, Norbert, you're short?
I got a 77.5 to the 48.38.
Lower, cover some.
I closed already.
Okay, where were you short?
So I was shorting from the the 98.74.5-ish area.
Uh-huh.
And after the week, the rejection, the next open candle, the 55.
55 you shorted?
No, I was like from 8.55, and I was shorting until like that level, like 490.
Okay, be careful.
Yeah.
You shorted. I think you shorted a little bit too low.
Is it? It can be.
Okay. Just be careful on your ranges. Okay, PLTR at 7. I know. Can you imagine? I remember when PLTR was $60 a share back in April. My friend sold a ton. I mean, a ton. Look at his gold. Kabooshed. Gold just dropped like $10 here. You short the gold?
Yeah, I missed the gold.
Come on, just drop 50 on the gold. Let's see. Wow, that's a great job, Rocky Mountain. Great job. You covered gold too early. You can never look back. Never look back. Right? You never look back. All right. So a bunch of people texted me here who are new, who want the 5-day free trial. Okay, NASDAQ and S&P futures just reversed to buy on the 15. You're going to have to look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame here. Robert, cheers. Very quiet here. This silver is going to get a push up here again. Don't die on me. Anybody short the gold up there? Anybody short gold? Anybody? That'd be a nice pullback on silver. If it pulls in there off the 5-minute, that'd be nice. Right? Okay, so it's 9:02. I hope you guys registered. Oh, there goes the S&P's dropping. All right. It's 9:02, so I hope everybody who registered, and you need to have a MyFundedFutures account. Okay, you need to have. You're short the silver. You're long. Okay. Good job. Okay. 98.5 right here. Wow. Good job, Jeff. I was hoping for a little bit more of a pullback. Oh, yeah. $65 points right now. These silver moves are pretty insane, right? I agree. So my dog today, I was walking him, and he was just smelling around, and a little puppy German Shepherd got off the leash and ran to him. This thing was this big. He came up from behind him. He scared the hell out of him. The hair on his back stood straight up, and all he wanted to do was go eat him. I'm like, no, you can't eat him. Oh my God, it was hysterical. How the spread's ridiculous in silver. I'm looking at penny spreads here. How the spread's ridiculous. You just put limit orders in. Right? Well, that means that they have no confidence in the US dollar. That's what that means. Hello, Christy. How are you? All right, let's see. You're looking for a NASDAQ long. Yes, but you got to wait for the pullback on the 15 here. Is that good for you and the company? Interesting. That's good for you and the company. All right, we have the raffle in 41 minutes here. Just everything just died here. I want silver to get a pullback here. I'd like to see silver come somewhere near this 10 bar. The 10 bar comes at 98, so probably like 25. So if this silver gets down, oh, Nelly. That's Keith Jackson, by the way. Whoa, Nelly. Remember him? No, you guys don't remember him. Let's see here. ABC Sports. From Nebraska, I think he was. Let's see here. Let's see if the silver can. This silver is getting oversold. Positive MACD, rising ADX, big buying pressure. But I want to see it pull in. It's a 10 bar weighted moving average, Chris. It's a 10 bar weighted. So if this silver gets down to the 0535, I'd probably look to buy it. Oh, please, gold, drop 1,000 points. Okay. Take on me. All right, let's see here. See if the silver can drop a little bit more here. NASDAQ and S&Ps are going to set for one more push up here. You want to see the S&Ps, if they get down to the 47.5, 52.5 range, We're actually 47.53. NASDAQ. Let's see where this NASDAQ. Can you imagine when these stop orders get kicked in on the gold? Woo-wee. Why?
Silver's playing games.
So, well, you short?
Yeah, I was shorting just a little bit.
I would be careful. The fire's going to turn up. Look
yeah,
at
it's just a quick scalp account.
Which scalp? What? You be careful. That's not smart. The silver's going. There's no way the silver's going to get. I like to see the silver really pull in here.
What's the buying range for the silver?
It's not going to happen. I'm going to cancel it. I said 05 to 35. Not going to happen. Silver's going to go right back up. If this gold gets down to the 45.5, 51.5 range, silver, I probably go raise it. You got to go 25 to 55 range on the silver. On the silver. Right, I find it. What for gold? Yeah, I said look to buy gold 45.5 to 51.5 in that range. Rectals. Okay, well, we'll see. I can't stop watching that Mendoza run. That guy. Yeah, I said, that's why I said, I think silver is going to trade between par and 101 when you wake up in the morning. This gold and this S&Ps are going to turn up here. I like to see it get a pullback. All right, gold just got down to 50 here, 51. Well, I'm hoping that I think you're right, because you see the 30-minute time frames are turning down here. But you could probably look to go. I'll lower it 20 to 50 range. I said 20 to 55 range, but it just got down. Well, let's leave it 25 to 55 range. Gold, if you're long, look to sell 52 to 55. If you bought any silver here, just look to sell 60 to 65 here. Looking for a nice pullback on the S&Ps though. 15's reversed to buy. I think you get one more push up on it. I think you get one more push up. All right, there goes the gold right back up. Let's see if there's silver. I think silver is going to get 44. You may get one more push up on silver to a lower high. I'd guess if you're long silver, 50 to 60, 65, I would exit longs here. Long or short Nasdaq, I'm looking for a pullback. Looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback. All right, here comes the silver dropping. Oh, come on, gold. Story time. Once upon a time. No. If I only had a brain.
Yeah.
There you go, silver. La dee 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 dee. Silver got the caboose. I still think again you're gonna get one more push up though. There you go, silver. Silver. That's why you had to wait. If I only had a brain. You could sell if you're long 40 to 55. I'd exit longs here on silver. Gold should get one more push up. There goes the silver. 25 up to 45. You see that? Kaboom. If I only had a brain. What do you mean? Down to 25 and a half. There goes the silver right back up. Tell me you got the long, Norbert.
No, I'm only long about the 64. So
What?
So if I'm longing the gold right now, I would like to see the price to go higher than 62.
Whoa, you're long gold?
No. I'm not in position right now.
You told me you were trading silver.
Yeah, the silver is on the left side. I trade silver and gold.
So silver, that was a perfect pullback. What was the most corrupt thing I saw while trading? The specialist system on the floor of New York Stock Exchange. Forget it. I don't even get me along. Crazy. Hitman, get me in. Norbert, but you should have bought that pullback. Look at the ADXs are rising on a 60, 30, and the 15. you buy the oversold condition on the 5. I gave the range 25 to 55, right? If you buy maybe 50s, right? If you buy maybe 45s, you buy 35s, you buy 25s, you have to scale in. Anybody get the long in silver? Anybody? The light's messed up. You got to jump up and down here. Hold on. What's going on?
The sensor.
Sensor. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
If I'm calling it, where you, I'm not mad or anything. I'm trying to understand.
Oh yeah.
You were trading silver, shorting it. Why weren't you buying the silver?
So
I'm just asking.
Yeah. So I close already the position. And
Okay.
really,
It's all right. You just ran 40 cents. That's all.
You don't mind if I take a picture of the setup?
Tomorrow, not now. R&R, good job. $400 on that silver. Done. Singles and doubles, Ahmad. Singles and doubles.
silver is crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the gold. Look at the silver. 50 off the low, silver. Good job, Dragon Trades. Nasdaq and S&P in the night. The only time I really traded, I used to just trade Sunday nights with my son, just S&Ps and Nasdaq. Oh, and mostly S&Ps. Gold. Let's look at gold. Let's look at the gold here. I think that was probably one of the most greatest games, championship games I've ever seen. Let's see here. This gold, I like to see this gold drop. Step along on the 60-minute for one more push up into the positive MACD. See the ADX rising, the big buying pressure? You like to get something like this. And then boom. So this thing can drop, I don't know, about maybe the 20, 25 area and then push up to 70. You hear my dog snoring? He's out. You out, my henny poo? And you out? You out? Daddy loves you, right? Daddy gave you a good life. You're a good boy. He's such a good boy, my boy. Singles and doubles, meaning you want to constantly try to make your 3 to 4, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500. Iceman. I got 44, Iceman. 47, actually, I think. All right. All right, S&Ps and NASDAQ dropping here. All right, nice little long there. So I'm expecting the gold to pull in here. It could touch. Wow, I'd love to see it. $600 points above the 10 bar. Oh my God. Oh, please. Imagine waking up and gold's down $600. Oh. Right? My target is 500 to 1,000. I think that's a good number. right? I think that's a good number. We're going to do the raffles in roughly 30 minutes. No, let me see. Sorry, 25 minutes. And again, we'll be back Monday to Thursday next week from 8 to 10. And anybody new here? I saw a bunch of ones before. If you want a 5-day free trial, please text me 914-500-7484. 7:55. Dave, how you been doing, David? David? Very quiet here. Let's see if this up 750. Good job. Bucky, if you're new, you want to text me 914-500-7484. If this gold gets down to the 44.5, 50.5, you probably you could take a long here. The fives are getting deeply oversold here. Look, oh my God, look at this Coinbase. Very quiet. Anybody trade the Sunday night opening? Anybody? Should start doing that. That's a good one. The Sunday night opening. I still think this silver is going to get one more push up here. Hey, Scooby Trades. There goes the gold. There goes the gold. Off the fives. Just ran 3. Well, I think it's volatile for like the first 10 minutes, and that's it. S&Ps, yes, I would be buying them here probably 49.50 to 54. Nasdaq, I said 45 to 75 range. Look at this gold rally. Look at this gold rally. Wow, look at the gold. Kaboom! Arabian YouTuber called Yina, who is saying, "Oh God, Oh, that's very nice. There you go. That's very nice. Look at the gold rally, bastard. Anybody long the gold? Silver, if you're still long, should have bought the silver again. If the silver gets between the 10 and 40 range. Did I look at natural gas? No, should I? It got kabooshed. You look at Boyle. This Boyle was like 600 or something like that. There was 105 Boyle. I knew it was a short. You're looking for 5,000? Not me. You had natural gas as a monster rally? Let me see. Oh, from in a week though. Hold on. 220 to 340. Oh my, $1.55? Not gas. The foreign change. Wow. From Sunday. That's insane. No, silver's good. Oh, I agree. Let's see what the silver's doing. Oh, man. What's going to kaboosh the gold, though? Gap up. Really, really very quiet here. Silver just got down to the 40. We called this long here, 25 to 55. Then, of course, it runs up to 77. I still think the S&Ps are going to get one more push up here. Good job, Brian. Wow, who did that tonight? Wow, Jeff, congratulations. That's a great job, Jeff. Great job, Jeffrey. Great job. I don't know where my stream went just now. Yes, sir. So, yeah, thank you, Aaron. I kind of screwed that up. I still think I'd like to see this gold drop. God bless you, Jeffrey. That's a great job. Text me your email, please.
Okay.
Oh God.
I think 99 is coming on silver.
I don't know. Who cares? Just trade what you see. It was a great line. How much you up tonight?
1,180.
You're up almost 1,200.
Uh-huh.
Great job. But how much you up?
On this account, 443.
It's a new account.
Yeah.
Okay. I think the podcast with Riz, he told me in March. He texted me a couple of days ago. He says he did like 20 of them. You need silver to go to 850. It just got down to 825. What are you talking about right here? Oh, we got about 13 minutes before the raffles. And please make sure you sign up for MyFundedFutures, or else you cannot get a raffle. You can't, if your name is picked, you don't have an account. Vamos. Right? There goes the silver. Silver just ran on this print right here. And then it pulled into 40 right here, made a higher low, and then ripped just now 38 cents. I told you when you have the ADXs rising on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame, you got to look to buy pullbacks on the 5-minute. It cuts off at 9. Let's see if anything else. Boy, this is the last couple of nights. Gold and silver have been pretty quiet, but the patterns have been good. Right now, come on, drop gold. This gold should drop. What's the high on that gold there? This gold should drop one more time here. Right here. If this gold gets up to the 59.80 to 66.80, I'd short it one more time. Just going to get kabooshed. What the hell's wrong with my mouse here? Nasdaq and S&P should get one more push up here. Hand on the mouse. The mouse got stuck. Short this silver? No, not yet. Not yet. Big bull flag here. Under over, silver 100 tonight. Under over. Under over. Hey, yo, Duth. How are you? Under over. Under. It doesn't matter. Darkwing, what happened? Darkwing. Under. I'm saying under, but there's a chance of probably just get it over with. Get the 100. All right, gold, forget about it. I would cancel it. The fives got overbought. All right, let's see. We got roughly 7 minutes before we do the raffle. Can you explain over, under? Yeah, it's just like, you know, the poly markets. I was doing this 7, 8 years ago. So I'm just saying to the community here, is silver going to be over 100 or under 100? And I'm saying people betting saying it's going to be under 100. Right? It's just you know, how do you enter the raffle? You got to be here by 9 o'clock. You have to have a MyFundedFutures account, and then you enter your name. Has to be. Okay, you're saying over. Okay. I'm saying over as well tonight because I think the 30-minute time frame is going to turn in and then go right back up. That's what I think. If I had to say the same again. Look at these NASDAQ and S&P futures, just nothing more. They should turn up off the 5-minute time frames. Ooh. It doesn't matter. I think during, hey, David. Wow. You're really bearish, huh, Radizan? How's that NASDAQ looking? Well, I'd be buying it here. I think they're going to get another turn up here. 5 into 15. 3 a.m. is when the London session opens. 3 a.m. If I had to do it all again, I would. Just new highs in silver? Not yet. 98 was the high. There you go. See the pullback? That's why I said not to be short. You short?
No, I was long.
Oh, good. I thought you said you were short.
No, I was longing from I was looking for the 98-ish.
Here we go. New high is coming on silver. If this silver gets up to the 99.15 to 45, I'd take a short. Because you can see you're making new highs here. These MACDs are non-confirming. Oh, that's right. Central time. Okay.
To 99.15.
99.15 to 99.45. I think you're going to get a shot up and then it drops. Because look at these MACDs non-confirming. So silver, when silver pushed down to that 69 level, we've now risen $30 in silver, and I think in 2.5, 3 weeks.
Yeah.
See, I told you 99.15.
Yeah.
I told you this was going to go. I told you, look, cover some shorts below 08 if you're short silver. See that, prop trader? That's experience, brother. Look at it drop. What do you go to 18? Told you that was going to happen. I knew it. 20.
You exactly caught the level. Amazing. 50. And then exactly that. Crazy.
Look, 25-cent drop in silver.
That's beautiful. I'll drop a little bit more.
I had the long on gold 10, 20, 25 minutes ago. Gold short? Probably 64.80 to 70.80 on the gold. 64.80 to 70.80. All right, we're going to do the raffles here in 2 minutes. All right, ready for the raffles? If anybody wants a 5-day free trial, please text me now at 914-500-7484. Okay? Again, if anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream on Discord at SK Trading, please text me at 914-500-7484. All right. I think it's time to... One more minute. And I got to give a 30. I got to get my pad and pen. Wait. Let's see here. Is it? It's time for the raffle. Silver just got cabooshed. All right, it's time. Let's see if they better be where I can read them. Linda NQ. That's an easy one. I love it. Linda NQ. Linda next. Linda NQ. Was she here? I thought it was, I don't know, was she here? I didn't see that. Draw LMS. Draw LLMS8. The hell? Draw limbs. Yes, you could short silver 99.20 to 50. And gold 64.80. I don't, is she here? Hey, draw limbs is here. How about the first one? Was the first one here? Congratulations, Linda NQ. The juice bag. The juice bag. The juice bag is here. Congratulations. That's 2. Juice bag, are you here? Yes, so they're both here. All right. Congratulations, juice bag and Linda. That's 3. Milton Barrios Leon 9655. Milton Barrios Salon Leon. Oh my God. Can you just give me the abbreviation? Milton 9655. Are you here? Milton, come in. Come in, Manila. Not here. Next. Oh, he's here? That's 4. GBNQ. GBNQ. If you're short the gold, look to cover below 62. GBNQ. GBNQ here.
Right to the restroom.
All right. GBNQ. Going once. Going twice. Next. Pierre Joseph, 8065. Pierre Joseph, 8065. Pierre Joseph, 8065. Pierre Joseph. Is he here? He's here. Congratulations, Pierre Joseph. Hey, Darkwind, 14. Congratulations, Darkwind's here. Congratulations. I seen Darkwind earlier. Darkwind, come in, Manila. Darkwind. Darkwind, going once. He's here. Mainframe trader. I like that name. Mainframe trader. Mainframe. Anybody here named Mainframe trader? Mainframe trader. You text me your email?
Yes.
No, now.
Okay.
Mainframe. Going once. Going twice. Next. Oh, he's here. Got it. Chad 361. Chad 361. Chad 361. Chad 361. He's here? I don't see him. Okay, he's here. Let's go. Pomsky, POMSKY DA7. POMSKY DA7. Pomsky DA7. Are you here? Pomsky? Hey, congratulations, Pomsky. Is that 10? Jennifer, is that 10 or is that 9? Let's do this. What the hell? YOLO Van Coin.
Oh, wow. That's me.
That's you?
Yes, me.
Oh, my God. Congratulations. He's here. He said he's here in person. How's that? All right. How many? Congratulations.
Wow.
All right. You got to make sure you have a MyFundedFutures account. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I want to thank everybody here tonight. Thank you for MyFundedFutures. Anybody who wants to talk to me about trading or want my 5-day free trial, you can please text me at 914-500-7484. Also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Well, thank you to Denny. Thank you to Luke. Thank you to Matt. Thank you for letting me be here tonight. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love so many people that I've met over the last couple of days from the stream here. So many people just want to learn how to trade and be successful, and that's what it's all about. Okay, that's what it's all about. And again, you know, I'm here for any one of you. If you ever want a question, you have anything you need help with, you could just text me at that number I just gave. If I say it again, I'll lose my mind. But again, I just want all of you to know that MyFundedFutures is the best prop firm out there. And with that being said, have a great day trading tomorrow. We have some economic numbers coming out. Remember, be disciplined in your trading, be consistent in your trading, and be able to know the difference between scalp trading and pattern trading, and most of all, be consistent. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. Have a great day, a great weekend. I'll see you here Monday night. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.